Artificial intelligence, a revolutionary technology that's transforming our world. But is it a blessing or a threat? Today I'm diving into the pros and cons of AI. So, what exactly is AI? It refers to computer systems that can perform tasks requiring human intelligence. Think problem-solving, speech recognition, decision-making, and even creativity. First, let's talk about the pros. AI brings a ton of benefits. For starters, efficiency and automation. AI can handle repetitive tasks faster and more accurately than humans, boosting productivity and reducing errors. Then, there's healthcare advancements. AI helps doctors diagnose diseases faster and assists in surgeries, saving lives. AI also offers personalized experiences. Ever noticed how Netflix or YouTube seems to know what you want to watch next? That's AI at work, making life more convenient. And let's not overlook safety and security. AI-powered systems help prevent cyber attacks, detect fraud, and even assist in crime prevention. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. AI has its challenges too. One big concern is job displacement. With automation, many workers might lose job opportunities, leading to economic and social issues. Privacy concerns are another issue. AI processes massive amounts of data, raising questions about privacy and potential misuse of personal information. Then there's the ethical issues and bias. AI systems can be biased based on the data they're trained on, leading to unfair treatment in areas like hiring and law enforcement. And lastly, dependency on AI. Over-relying on AI can reduce our creativity and problem-solving skills, making us too dependent on technology. So, AI is powerful. It can transform lives for the better, but it also comes with risks. The key is to use it responsibly. What do you think about AI? Let me know in the comments.